Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to start dropshipping but don't have a marketing budget? Today I will show you how to advertise your dropshipping business for free using smart, beginner-friendly strategies that actually work. First of all, set up your social media presence. Start by creating business accounts on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Use a consistent brand name, logo, and bio. Post photos, short videos, and behind the scenes content to build trust. Use relevant hashtags to boost discoverability. So, open Facebook from your mobile app or desktop, then create a page, go to pages section, then wait a minute, go to pages section from your Facebook dashboard or Instagram. You can create a page from here, then follow the steps like upload photos, brand name, etc. TikTok is gold. For free promotion, post short videos showing your product in action, unboxings or tutorials. Jump on trends using popular sounds to go viral and drive traffic to your store link. Search for Facebook groups in your niche. For example, if you are selling pet products, join owner communities. Don't spam. Share helpful content and answer questions while subtly plugging your store or product. Start a free blog using Wix or WordPress. Write SEO-friendly posts like top 5 must-have gadgets for dog owners and link to your products. This helps you get organic traffic from Google over time. Then go to Pinterest.com. Create an Pinterest account and go to Business Hub, then click Create Pin, then upload your product photo from your dashboard from your computer. Enter title. Wait a minute. Ensure that your product size maximum like 200 into 300 pixels. So you can use Photoshop for your image or use Canva. Go to canva.com from your web browser. Log into your account. Click create and custom the size and 200 into 300. Then click design. Now upload your products image from your desktop. Now drag and drop onto your canvas. And resize the image. Then click share. Then click download and you can use JPG or PNG. Then click download. Then save it. Now go to Pinterest, then upload your photo from your dashboard or PC. Go to the file section and upload it from here. Pinterest is a visual search engine perfect for dropshippers. Create appealing pins of your product photos and link them to your store. Use Canva to design professional looking pins for free. Add title a stylish hoodie for men. Then add description, enter your store link, then select board like or create new board and name it like t-shirt. Then create. Then use tag from here like hoodie, men's hoodie, winter dress, then click publish. Reach out to micro influencers on Instagram or TikTok who have 1k to 10k followers. Offer them a free product or commission for posting your item. This gives you exposure without spending on ads. Use a tool like MailChimp or Bravo to collect emails via pop-ups or a free gift. Send regular emails with product updates, offers, or helpful tips to keep your audience engaged. Reddit and Quora have massive communities. Find questions related to your product niche, provide value, and drop your link carefully. This builds authority and brings targeted traffic. Use Canva to design content and Buffer or Meta Business Suite to schedule posts. This keeps your market consistent without needing to be online all the time. That's how you can promote your dropshipping business for free and start building traffic today. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want a tutorial on viral TikTok content next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.